Hey guys, it's Joanna here. So how many of you think you're addicted to sugar? Are you trying to break up with sugar? Well, you've come to the right place as we'll be doing this 28-day sugar detox together. So before we get into the detox and also meal plans, be sure to watch these two videos. 5 signs you're addicted to sugar, and also 7 effective steps to break up with sugar. These videos will help you better understand what is sugar and how you can start to eliminate sugar from your diet. So what is a sugar-free diet? Simply put, a sugar-free diet is one that limits both added and also hidden sugars in foods, typically found in pastries, cakes, sugary treats, soda drinks, and more. Some sugar-free diets may even take it a step further and limit natural sugars, which are typically found in fruits, high-carb foods, and even some vegetables. So depending on your goals, you may choose to limit only added sugars or both added and natural sugars. So if you're confused about natural or added sugars, well, watch my videos. Links are in my description box below. So for my 28-day sugar detox plan, I'm making this process gradual for all of you. For the first 2 weeks, we want to limit added sugar to no more than 6 teaspoons or 25 grams in a day. And I want you to start replacing refined sugar with healthy alternatives such as maple syrup, honey, or stevia. But do remember that maple syrup and honey are still added sugars. Therefore, they still need to be within the 6 teaspoons or 25 grams limit. Start adding more fruits to satisfy your sugar cravings. Fruits are packed with nutrients and fiber. If you're someone who loves to add sugar and creamer into your coffee or tea, well, reduce them gradually. If you love soda drinks, start to replace them with flavored carbonated water that has no artificial sweeteners, and slowly eliminate them altogether. Your goal is to eventually just drink water. You have to learn to read and understand food labels because most of the foods which you think are healthy may contain a lot of added sugars. These include your breakfast cereals, granola, energy bars, smoothies, fruit juices, peanut butter, and even yogurt. So treat the first 2 weeks as low added sugar instead of no sugar at all, because I don't want you to experience immediate withdrawal symptoms such as headaches, fatigue, mood swings, and even low energy. Saying that, however, some of you might still experience these symptoms, especially if your diet has been very high on sugar. Now, for the next 2 weeks, we want to completely eliminate all added sugars and only consume foods with natural sugars, but still keeping it within a reasonable amount. At this point, it is very important that your diet consists mainly of whole foods and no processed foods at all. So you're eating a diet rich in protein, healthy fats, and also vegetables. Guys, the good news is that your taste buds and palate can be retrained for you to adopt a less sugary lifestyle, and eventually you will not crave for those high sugar foods as before. The 28-day sugar detox diet will be available on my website. You'll find the links in my description box below. So I've created both a normal and also a vegan meal plan. This is just a guide for you to kickstart towards a sugar-free lifestyle. Feel free to change some of the ingredients in my meal plan to suit what's available in your country. And remember that it is very important for you to watch these 2 videos. 5 signs to know that you're addicted to sugar, and 7 effective steps to break up with sugar. Again, links are in my description box below. Share this video and get your friends to join you on this journey. Check out the videos right here. Don't forget to also subscribe to my YouTube channel and turn on your notification button so that you will get notified every time I share a new video. All the best!